I'm just gonna add some paint to get my painting started. I always like to go in an up and down motion with my brush so it's just cleaner and the canvas looks a little bit neater. As I get done with the background, I add some background touches to give it more volume and to show more depth in the painting. I'm just going to go around the edges and just clean everything up a little bit and add some detail to it. Then I'm going to add some more dark blue paint to show a little bit more depth than I did before. After I add the highlights, I'm just going to go in with a jellyfish shape. So I always like to add my outline first. I'm just going to give it some little squigglies at the bottom to show that it has little octopus arms. As you can tell, this is a jellyfish painting. I'm also going to add like its little stinger at the bottom and add some little jellyfish details around it. This is optional to the arms, but if you want to add a little more pizzazz to it, you can add this little stinger. Then I decided to make it a little bit bigger because it wasn't to my liking. Whatever colors you decide, you can add. I decided to go with dark blue first for its little body. After that, I added some purplish pink to give it some pop of color. I just blended that out into the blue. When you blend out, you would want to go up and down with the motion. And after I blended out those two colors, I added some yellow on the bottom of its head. Then I added some pink to it. Again, you can add any color you want. I just decided that. On top of that, I added some more yellow. And then I just blended them together. And then I just added some orange to the bottom because I decided to change it up because I didn't want yellow on yellow. I will be going over it with another layer. After this, I added some teal to the tentacles. I am using a flat brush with this, and it's a medium length. I also added some pink and some yellow to 2 of the other arms. And then I added teal to the stinger, and then added pink to the details to the stinger. The white lines are also just a guideline, so you can go over the white lines. And you can like put it on top of the stinger if you want to add some more detail to it. I went ahead and did a second layer to that pink. And then I just went around and added some bubbles to give it some more sea action. And I just add them around. You can add them wherever you want. And I added some little glisten to them. I went ahead and did my second layer on the arm. It's good to add some lighter shades to them to give them a little bit more color. I also did that to highlight something. I also did some more layers to the bottom part of their body. And then as you can tell, I did some layers to the other colors. So I'm just gonna be adding some more layers on top of that and going in the middle and brushing it up and down to blend it out with other colors on that head. Then I'm just finishing up the arms and adding lighter colors to them to give them more color. If you need to rewind, you can if you forgot to do something, and you can also pause the video. I added some little, I'm gonna call them little flares to it to show that it has like some loose limbs, you know, some arms. This is optional. I think it makes it look better. You can do them any color you want, and then you really shape, because jellyfish have a really unique body. I also added a different color of little flares to them. And then on the stinger, I added a different shade of pink, and it was like a hot pink. And I just went ahead and added that to like the little things and highlighted. Then I add some purple to different spots, some dark blue, so it gives it a little dark depth to it. This is optional, but I really do recommend doing this. And I added some highlights to some of them. So this is the finished product. I did add some little things to the bubbles. So if you have any questions, comment them down below, or if you have any tips. Bye!